Hi, I'm sitting in Dr. Steiger's office. I am not quite 2 months post-op from having my face lifted. I am thrilled. I feel like myself. When I look in the mirror, who I see is myself. The surgery went just as Dr. Steiger had told me it would. I was no pain. There was some discomfort, nothing that was not handleable. 3 weeks after my surgery, I went to play golf at the country club I live in, and I'm pleased to say that nobody came up and said to me, "What did you do?" or no, everybody just said hello and just continued on their business. I have gotten wonderful compliments from how wonderful I look from people that know me. "You look terrific." I say thank you. I recently had occasion to bump into some people where I used to live, and they hadn't seen me in 7 years, and they recognized me immediately. It was not what I had done. Nobody seemed to pick up anything that was different or unusual, which to me just underlines how marvelous Dr. Steiger is. I look like myself, but better.
Now let's review the dramatic enhancement achieved with this type of facelift. To recap, the areas targeted by the deep plane facelift includes her jowls, her neck, and her midface. Post-operatively, you will notice a dramatic improvement in all of these areas as they are restored to a more natural position. In a side-by-side comparison on a front view, you will notice a significant improvement in her jowls, neck, and midface. No other procedures were performed on her, making this an excellent case to exhibit the power of this technique. You can even notice improvement in the appearance of her eyes. This enhancement is produced by the restoration of the midface or cheeks to their more youthful position. This illustrates the importance of the region when performing facial rejuvenation. It is also important to understand that the goal for rejuvenation is not just about filling a wrinkle here and a fold there. This could be done, but the most dramatic change is the change you see in a blink of an eye. It's a change in our overall facial shape. I call this inverting the pyramid of youth. Next, we see the side view. This mainly illustrates the significant improvement in her neck. Now, it's important to understand that this is a slight modification of the technique and that the neck does not necessarily need to be treated in each patient. It really just depends on the specific pattern of aging. Her neckline is restored to a more youthful position. Finally, we see many of these changes on this halfway view. Notice the improvement in her jowl, neck, and cheeks. The results look very natural, youthful, without a surgical appearance.
I would recommend this to anybody, and certainly recommend Dr. Steiger. His caring, his thoughtfulness. He was always available for my questions, big and small. His patients are just fabulous, and he is just as best a doctor as anybody could ever ask for. What I am most thrilled about is that my surgery has gone exactly as Dr. Steiger said it was going to. I look natural. My skin is not pulled tight, but my jawline is just perfect. It's as it was when I was 20 years old. His method is just ideal. It's exactly what everybody should want.